Hi Austin, this is Hira with Fluid Grid Marketing. I spoke with you last week and I just wanted to send you this quick video to go over some tips that you could do in-house. This will bring in more business, more volume. So I did take a look at your company. I see that you don't have a website, but you do have, you are registered on Build Zoom. It seems like I'm sure there are some others, but this is what I see up top. You might be on Visipedia as well if that's the same, if that is also your company, it looks like it is. Uh, so the benefit of having a website outside of these companies is that you have a lot more control of exactly the clientele, quality clientele that you want, and you're spending money on your own terms rather than paying a business to get you whatever leads and leads that might not even be high quality and high paying. So it is important for that reason to have a website that ranks. So I wanted to show you just on Google if someone is searching for your company or for your services, what they can find. This is a high buyer intent keyword with location, and you can see on the top is all the Google ads. So that's obviously visibility is very high. It's on the top of the Google page. In the middle is the Google Map pack, and this area is really important because 30 to 40% of people who do see your business come from this area. Um, and then finally, you have the Google Organic. So if you're ranking well, then you're going to land right on the top of this as well. So if you do things correctly, just want to show you how you can land on the top of this, even if you don't have a website, just as long as you have your name in a directory, in as many directories as possible. So that is really important to see that you don't have a Google business profile. So you should have, many places where your name, number, website appear. And also you should be getting reviews. You should have many pictures that are geotagged, that are tagged with the keywords that you would utilize. And then you should also have this one doesn't have it, but it's a good way to know what your competitors are doing and see how to beat them out. But having a description, you have a 750 word allowance, you want to fill all of that out, you want to have as many keywords in there as possible. And then also just have the reviews, and not just reviews, but also responding to reviews. That is going to bring you to the top of this, that these guys are kind of doing. So all of these are really important. You want to land in the top 3 of these so you can show up on the Google page when searching for these kinds of keywords. And then here's the competitor over here. Just wanted to show you what it is that they're looking like and how to beat them out as well. So here you can see just kind of a company. This isn't the prettiest, but it is ranking quite well. So if you take a look at their website, it's on a tool called Ahrefs. It's an analytical tool just to look at the performance of their website on Google. They have an 11 and 7. This measures the power and strength of their website. So they have a couple things that help determine that. One is through backlinks. Backlinks are basically endorsements from other websites. So these are the referring domains, these are the other websites. So 739 domains or websites provide links to this person's website, and they have 1.4K. You want to make sure that you don't just have quantity. You want to beat this number out, but you also want to have quality. You want to make sure that these domains are not spammy. You want to make sure that they're related to the work that you do. The second thing is keywords and how much traffic they're generating. So you can see over here, they're doing pretty well. They have 2.6K keywords, and it's bringing in about 637 hits per month, which is really good. And then you can see over here where they are landing. So they have some positions that are in the top. So you can see over here, they're in the top pages for some of these keywords. You can see over here, basement ideas with pool table, finished basement with pool table. Some of these are not even relevant to exactly what they do, but somehow they're landing for it. But there are some ideas for keywords that you can utilize. This is probably not the best example, but they do have some keywords that would be relevant to what it is that you're trying to do. So yeah, there you have it. That's those are some pointers that I do have for you to increase your traffic, your volume to your business. And if you have any questions, let us know, and we'd definitely love to hear your feedback.